Hunting is a great way to get outside and be active. There are some safety concerns to keep in mind as you head out for the big hunt. This morning we're joined by Sanford cardiologist Dr. Tom Stish to discuss some more of these risks. Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you.
So yeah, tell us a little bit about hunting season and why these can kind of be concerns for people.
Well, it's extremely important to realize that heart disease is common. It's still #1 cause of death, and unfortunately frequently it strikes when the least unexpected, especially when we're exposed to some kind of an unusual stress for us.
And how is hunting kind of bring that upon with maybe the colder temps, maybe increased walking, that kind of activity?
It's kind of a combination of both. Of course, hunting for us comes with a little bit of a cooler weather, and that has something to do with it. But above all, it's the concept of exerting yourself beyond your usual. We love going out, we love spending time with our friends, bonding. I love to bond with my oldest son, go hunting, and it's all fun. But at the same time, we have to realize that frequently we find ourselves, first of all, far away from home. Second of all, doing exertion we're not used to. And frequently dragging all gear and maybe an animal up and down the valleys. And that's an unusual amount of exertion for us. That is stress for the heart. And if you do have a pre-existing condition of coronary artery disease, that can be enough to initiate a situation that will end in a heart attack.
Yeah. I guess what are some steps people can take to better prepare themselves for this and kind of recognize maybe those signs?
Well, above all, be aware of the issue and talk to your doctor. Make sure that you check with your primary care doc. Hey, I'm going to go hunting in Denver in the mountains or by Yankton, South Dakota, up in the valleys. And do you think I should have a stress test? Get checked out. Do you think I'm safe? And at the same time, do not wait to, so to say, condition yourself to the last minute. Do go to the gym. Do exert yourself throughout the whole year. Exercise is one of the key pillars to keep your heart healthy. And don't wait till last minute. It's good for you in general, not just for your hunting experience, but for your own heart healthiness overall, to be active, exercise. So get checked with your physician and be active, take good care of your heart.
Yeah. If somebody's out there hunting and they start to experience, some symptoms, what do those symptoms look like? How does somebody know if they're experiencing either of these?
That's a very good question. They can be very subtle and strike all of a sudden. The best advice I can give, if it crosses your mind, do not think twice. Frequently, symptoms we experience, such as chest pain, shortness of breath, palpitations, dizziness, arm discomfort, or, problem with numbness in the arm, drooping face for a stroke, do not neglect those symptoms. Make sure that up front, if you're a predisposed individual, you do have a plan, you do have somebody with you, you do not neglect, call 911, call your friends, ask for help above all.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for being here this morning. We appreciate it and giving some tips for people to kind of recognize this.
Thank you.